What's up, you guys? It's Alexis and it's my wash day, so I'm gonna be retwisting my hair in this video and just show y'all what I do. So for this style, I'll need some rubber bands. I also do interlock my hair, so I will be using a interlocking tool. I got these on Amazon in a pack of 2. I'm using rose water and oil for this. They comb, a pick, or you can just use your fingers. First thing to do is to get this t-shirt off of my head. For this next part, I'm just sectioning out how many Bantu knots I wanted to have in my head. So I think I did about 8 sections. I'm just gonna take this rose water that I made. I'm actually gonna link in the description a video of me making the rose water. It's actually really easy. And I'm following that up with this oil. It's a whole bunch of different oils mixed together, so really it's your choice if you want to do this style at home, what oils you use. But I just massage this into my scalp just to soften my roots, detangling any crazy knots I might have with a pick. So this is the part where I'm going section by section, just interlocking my hair. And if you want a separate video on me interlocking my hair with this tool, then leave a comment down below and like this video. Now that whole section's retwisted, all I'm doing here is just splitting it into 3 pieces and then braiding down. So I'm just sectioning the hair into 3 pieces, braiding it down, and twisting it into a Bantu knot. After I'm done twisting it, I secure the Bantu knot with a rubber band. I'm repeating that process until I'm finished with my whole head. after a few hours, we're here with the finished look. I do like to spray rose water on my scalp after I style it because I've noticed it helps with the itching. So I drench my scalp, and well, not drench, but of course I spray enough on my scalp. And to preserve it, I do wrap this silk wrap around my edges to keep them slick and top all of that off with a bonnet. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate the support. And if you have locks, just keep going. The journey's long and it's tedious, but it's worth it.